Good morning students, let us start with English grammar lesson number 17, use of articles. Introduction. Adjective a or an and the are usually called articles. There are two types of articles, indefinite articles, definite articles. Indefinite articles, that is a and an. Definite articles, that is the. Articles a and the. A and an. Used for objects that are not specific or one of several things of a similar type. For example, I need a phone. So here, phone can be of any company. We are not talking here about particular phone. So for that we are using article a. I need a phone. The. It is used for specific objects or objects that both the speaker and listener know. So here when we are talking about particular person or an object, so for that we are using article the. For example, can you give me the book on the table? So here speaker and listener know about which books they are talking about. So for that we are using article the. Second, use the first time we introduce an object. So here article a and an is used when we introduce an object for the first time. Like I saw a movie last night. The. It is used when we mention the object again. So here when we mention the object again, so we are talking about particular movie again. So for that we will use article the. The movie is based on a real life incident. Now students, we are going to learn about indefinite articles. A or an is called the indefinite articles because it does not point out any particular or definite person or thing. For example, I saw a boy riding on an ass. A postman fell off his bicycle. There is a park near Don Bosco School. So here when we are using article a boy, an ass, a postman, a park. So here we are not pointing out on a particular person or animal or a thing. So for that we are using article a or an. Now students, we are going to learn the rules for the use of a article. A is used before the word beginning with consonant sound. So here for example, woman. So here the word woman starts with the alphabet W. So it is consonant. So before that we are using article a. A pen. Again the word is starting with the consonant word, that is P. So before that we are using article a. A woman, a pen. Second, a is used before a vowel that has sound like U. So here when we are speaking a word, union, university. So here the word sounds like U. So before that also we are using article a. A union, a university. Third, a is used before the word consonant sound of V. So when we are speaking a word and when it sounds like V, so for that we are using article a. A 1 rupee note. A one-eyed man. So for that we are using article a when it sounds like V. Fourth, a is used for singular. So when we are talking about singular thing like rubber, pen, so for that also we are using article a. A rubber, a pen. Rule for the use of an article. When we are using an article, an is used before the words beginning with vowel sound. Vowels like a, e, I, o, u. For example, an orange. So here the word starts with the vowel o. So before that we are using article an. An apple. So again the word starts with the vowel a. So before that also we are using article an. Second, an is used before the vowel beginning with silent h. An hour, an honest. So here also the word has a silent h. So here we are using article an. An hour, an honest. Definite articles. The is called the definite article because it is used when we speak of some particular person or a thing. So here when we are talking about particular person or thing, then at that time we are using article the. So here the is what? It is a definite article. For example, this is the boy I saw. This is the as I saw. Let's go to the park. The postman is coming. So here we are talking about particular person, thing or an animal. So for that we are using article the. Like the boy, the ass, the park, the postman. Now students, let us see the rules for the use of the article. The is used when we refer to some particular person or thing. For example, the boys of this school are obedient. So we are talking about which boys? The boys of that particular school, of this school. So we are talking about particular boys of this school. So for that we are using article the. The boys of this school are obedient. Second, when a singular noun is used to indicate whole class. Okay, when a singular noun like dog. Dog is a faithful animal. So here when we are using a singular noun which represents a whole class. So for that also we are using article the. The dog is a faithful animal. Third, with superlative degree. For example, the best, the largest, the fastest. Fourth, with the name of rivers, seas and oceans. So with the names of oceans, seas, rivers or mountains, we are using article the. The Indian Ocean, the Gulf of Khambat, the Himalayas, the Red Sea. Fifth, before proper noun only when it is qualified with an adjective. So here when the noun, proper noun is qualified with an adjective, at that time also we are using article the. The great Ashoka. So here Ashoka is a proper noun. It is qualified with an adjective great. Great Ashoka. So with that we are using article the. The immortal Shakespeare. So again Shakespeare is a proper noun. It is qualified with an adjective immortal. So we have used article the. 6. Before the name of certain books. For example, the Ramayana, the Bible. 7. Before an adjective when the noun is understood or an adjective used as a noun. For example, the rich should help the poor. So here the adjective that is understood. We are talking about rich people should help the poor people. So at that time also we are using article the. 8. With the noun that are unique. Unique like earth, sky. So with that also we are using article the. With noun which has a musical instrument. So here violin, flute. With that also we are using article the. With ordinals like first, second. So with that also we are using article the. Omission of articles. It means where the articles are not used. A, an and the are not used in the sentence. Before the names of materials. For example, silver is very precious metal. Cotton is imported to India. So here silver and cotton are the materials. So before that we are not using article a, an or the. Before languages. For example, we speak English. So here English is a language. So before that also we are not using any articles. Before names of relations like father, mother, aunt, uncle. So when we are talking about relations, so before that also we will not use any articles. Before abstract noun, noun which we neither see nor we can touch, only we can feel it. So before that also we can't use any articles. Like honesty is the best policy, truth always prevails. Hope students you have understood use of articles. Thank you.